Welcome everybody. Today we've got General Hawk, Brigadier General from Denver, Colorado, military specialty radar and artillery. He was the original field commander of the Joe team before he got a general star. He was booted upstairs to honcho the entire G.I. Joe operation. He's a West Point graduate and has a list of special education credits as long as his arm, but he still managed to get the main body of his experience out there where it counts, on the battlefield. Hawk's the type of commander who goes out there and gets shot at like everyone else. Troops respect that. They know he won't ask them to do anything he isn't willing to do himself, and that's why they're willing to do anything Hawk tells them. But, like I say, I think I've already shown the one. I've got the other one that came with the mobile, MMS? Mobile Missile System. The one, he was one of the original, back when he was Colonel Hawk. He had a really, I guess, I don't know, chunky helmet. It had like goggles and everything on it like that. This was when I think the old, getting rid of the old steel helmet, and they were getting the composites in. So he's already got the one with the ears. Got a sidearm holster, I guess there. So he evidently carried 2 pistols. Of course, camo, boot knife, leather bomber jacket. No real, like I say, the straps and everything, but no significant details on the back, pockets and whatnot. Trying to see any, but yeah, I remember his helmet, but I don't remember what weapon he had, but I say this was the first time that I remember being a reissue of an action figure in a second generation. Of course, Luke and Leia and Han in the different movies came out, but they weren't the same. They were different, but not the same. So I guess that's sort of the same thing. I don't know. Something to debate. But he did go from bleach blonde to brown hair. I did notice that. But other than that, I say pretty standard. Army guy figure, joints work. His hips are in good shape, so I'm not going to worry about replacing his O-ring. Everything feels solid. He got the big collar up there, so his head don't turn as much as some of them. But that's all I got for him. Thanks for watching, everybody. If you're digging what I'm doing, make sure and subscribe. Plenty more to go where this came from, and I'll see you next time.